Let's have a look at another interesting little gadget from Parkside, this jigsaw attachment set. It has a stroke length of 10mm and a 1/4" triangular drive shaft that fits in most drill chucks. It comes with 5 saw blades included in the set, 3 for wood and 2 for metal, which is incredible considering the whole thing was only €4. It has no specific model code, only this serial number here. It was made by OWIM in China. Anyway, let's open it up and see what we got for €4. First we got this plastic handle that has a metal threaded insert. Then the jigsaw attachment itself. We'll have a better look at it in a minute. And lastly, the 5 saw blades included in the kit. The jigsaw itself looks very well made from what appears to be glass fibre reinforced plastic with plenty of rubber over moulding for improved grip. It has this small clear plastic shield that I will remove for now. Another pleasant surprise is the quick change saw blade holder. Again, it is incredible that they could include one at such a small price point. It holds the blade quite securely and well aligned by the metal guide roller. Another cool little feature is that it is spring loaded, which makes for even faster blade changing if you don't mind them flying all over your workspace. Like it said on the box, the driving shaft is triangular in shape, which makes it impossible to slip in a standard 3 jaws drill chuck. The movement is quite smooth and it doesn't vibrate a lot. Time for some testing. This will obviously not be a workshop replacement for the jigsaw, but more like something you throw in your tool bag for that odd job once in a while, like cutting a hole for a sewer pipe through a kitchen cabinet. It is not noisier, nor does it vibrate more than a regular jigsaw. It is also quite easy to control because it fits well in my hand. One thing it lacks is a fan to blow the sawdust away. After a while it was hard to see the line. I think it did a great job, and it will be a great addition to my tool bag. As you might have noticed, I didn't use the handle during the cut, but if you find it to be needed, it can be attached to the tool in 3 different locations. Like I've already mentioned, the main advantage of this tool is its size and portability. Here it is compared to a standard jigsaw. It is also quite light, weighing around 370 grams. That's 5 times lighter than the jigsaw that weighs around 2 kilos. I usually don't take new tools apart, but I am really curious to see the inside of this one. Just judging by the number of screws they used, I can tell they built this tool well. And indeed it looks very well made. With real bearings and a nylon sliding wheel, this is built better than many jigsaws I've seen. Also, if you are worried the plastic part might break, remember they offer a 3-year warranty. Bearings, metal slides, quick tool change, it's amazing how much they can include in such a low price. The casing itself is built like a tank with thick walls that make it very rigid. And by the sound the knife makes, which you probably can't hear, the plastic seems to be glass fibre reinforced. Overall, a really great built tool that is light and portable and functions very well for only €4. They really did well on this one.